I'm Peggy Waddington. I met Marianne skiing in 1995. We ski together a lot, and we go to the Eagles games together.
And I'm Marianne Slajinsky. I live in Voorhees, New Jersey. I've been an Eagles season ticket holder since 1990. I love the Eagles. I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis a few years ago, and I took a fall playing pickleball last year, and I broke my left wrist. When I couldn't use my hands and my wrists, I was in braces. I wasn't able to hold food. I wasn't able to cheer. When I couldn't do those things, I was feeling helpless. I'm relatively pain-free today because of the care I get at Rothman.
I treated for over a year with another orthopedist getting injections in my hip. It was hard sitting there at the games. It was hard standing. It was hard going up and down steps. I knew 3 people who had hip replacements at Rothman, and I knew that I wanted to go to somebody that had good results. After seeing Rothman Orthopedics, I was very happy to be able to cheer and participate in the game.
After having treatment and care at Rothman, I'm able to do all those things in order to prepare for the game and to be at the game and cheer at the game. And
Thanks to Rothman, I can bleed green.
Rothman specializes in wrists so that I can specialize in cheering for the Eagles.
Rothman specializes in hips so that I can specialize in cheering for the Eagles.